pool service systems done for you set up. If you've landed on this page, most likely you have watched one of my videos in either YouTube, or we've met, or we've talked on the phone, or somewhere that's brought you to this page, and I welcome you. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Sharon Birch, and my specialty is setting up admin systems, meaning all of the behind the scenes systems that help a pool service business run efficiently, effectively, and with as much automation as possible. Now, when I normally start working with the pool service business, they're in some kind of state of chaos. That might be you. And so we try to connect the loop in a system that works for you. And I help you develop what that system is that's going to work best for you and your business, and set up the pieces that will make that happen. So imagine that instead of all kinds of either sticky notes or, things laying around all over the place, or having to check, how about all those messages? You have customers, potential customers, and leads that are messaging you in Facebook or Instagram, or text messaging and phone calls, email, web forms, and they're all coming in different places. And so you're trying to keep up with all these incoming messages. So number one, what if you could have one unified inbox? In other words, no matter which way those potential customers or active customers are communicating with you, you can open one app and you can answer them regardless of whether it came from Instagram, Facebook, a website, a web chat bubble, a text message, a phone message, an email, all in one app. So number one, that is an incredible solution that helps you out, because most often you probably have, you're in the middle of cleaning a pool repair, or you're driving, delivering chemical or picking up parts, and it's really difficult to stay on top of it. So my goal is to help you eliminate some of those headaches and frustrations plus more. So let's take a look around, and I'll show you a little bit about what my vision is for your business, or what it could be if it's not already. And if you're here, most likely you're looking for some solutions. So let's roll. So first of all, the whole idea is, let's take what your business setup is, depending on how many clients or customers you have and the tools that you're already using, and let's look at what can help you make your business run more streamlined with automation. So first of all, let's put my head right here in the middle. Let's just go over the basics. You have new customers. We always need new customers, because we tend to, they move on. We lose customers. We always want to feed that funnel. So we need a system for bringing in new customers, attracting new customers, new leads, with a website. It doesn't have to be big and fancy, but it does need to be professional and easy for people to find you. On that website, you need a submit request for service form. That'll help you out with an automated reply to them and an automated message to you that says, hey, somebody submitted a form and is interested in quoting pool service. Fantastic. Next, if you use it, pool service software, which will really help streamline your service and your communication with your active clients. Now, that could be anything like Pool Brain, Skimmer, or other. There's several out there, but those that gives you an idea. Do you have to have it? No. If you only have a few pools, you're a one-person show, then you could probably get by with your own calendar, right, and scheduling. But once you go beyond that, then you can adopt a pool service software. So then the next step is, you need to know how you're doing financially. How is your business running? So whatever you have set up, you want it to connect to QuickBooks Online, so that you can have an accounting software that you know exactly how much you spent and how much income you brought in, and are you really making money, right? So connecting to QuickBooks Online would be the next piece. And then from that point, you need financial reports that show you throughout the year, not just at tax time, but how are you doing as a business. The next part is messaging, and I already talked about that. I think this is one of the biggest areas of concern for most pool service business owners and people working in it, is that communication piece, because each customer feels like Everybody has their favorites, including you, of your go-to type of messaging. You might prefer email over phone calls. You might prefer texting over phone calls, which is kind of the main thing. Most people love to text, but not everybody. Some people prefer to use Facebook Messenger, some of those Instagram Messenger, and that is their go-to. So when they reach out to you, they expect that you are going to reply in the same way. And that's where this software can really help you out and save you a lot of time. So all messaging in one app would be one of the biggest pieces that could be added almost instantly for you. And so that you can connect to people by only looking at one app and knowing exactly who messaged you in what format and how you can reply to them in the same way from one app. So that can be phone, email, SMS, or texting, Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, Google Business Reviews, and that is really critical. So Google Business Review, if you don't already have that set up, people will message you there and it's easy to miss. But if it's coming into the same inbox, the same app, and it has an automated reply based on what they say, then you're golden. All right. So that's a little bit of overview. And then that cycles you back into new customers. So all of this messaging can take you into new customers. And then you have a full circle of administrative software with integration and automation built in. So that is what this is all about. If you are interested in discovering how you could set up an integrated system with automation, or maybe just one of those pieces. Maybe you have everything set up, but you're missing this one piece. Now, one of the most common ones is the QuickBooks Online part. That tends to be the biggest headache and frustration for most people. And there is a way to set that up, customized for a pool service business to make it easy to update. And it's also updating the rest of your systems. They all work together. So if any of that works for you or you're interested in any piece of that, schedule a call, reach out to me. We'll have a conversation about exactly where you are in your business, what it is you're looking for, what are your needs. And if I can help you, I would be happy to help streamline your business with systems and automation that does the work for you so you can get back to doing what you do best. My name is Sharon Birch. Make sure you click below, schedule a call, and let's get started streamlining your business today.